Alright guys, let's get honest for a second. If you've ever wondered what women really want, you're not alone. The truth is, there are a few things most women crave, but they don't always say it out loud. So, here are 7 things women secretly crave, and how you can make her feel it. Number 1. Emotional security. Women want to feel safe opening up. It's not just about protecting her from the world, it's about making her feel like she can be vulnerable around you. So, listen without judgment, put your phone down when she talks, and let her know her feelings matter. Number 2. Thoughtful attention. It's not the grand gestures, it's the small things. Remembering her coffee order, sending a good morning text, or just asking about her day. These show her she's on your mind, even when you're apart. Number 3. Genuine compliments. She wants to know you notice her laugh, her style, her ambition. Skip the cliches, tell her something real and watch her light up. Number 4. Affection without expectations. A hug in the kitchen, holding her hand in public, or a kiss on the forehead. Physical affection just for the sake of closeness goes a long way. Number 5. Adventure and spontaneity. Routine can get boring fast. Surprise her with a spontaneous trip, a new recipe you cook together, or even just a silly dance in the living room. Show her you're up for making memories, not just sticking to the script. Number 6. Respect for her independence. She doesn't want to lose herself in the relationship. Encourage her passions, her friendships, and her goals. Let her know you love her for who she is, not just what she brings to your life. And number 7. Consistency. It's simple, but powerful. Show up when you say you will. Keep your promises big or small. That reliability builds trust, and trust is everything. So, if you want to really connect, start with these 7 things. Be present, be genuine, and don't forget, she wants to feel seen, valued, and loved for exactly who she is. If this helped, hit that subscribe button and drop your thoughts below. I'll catch you in the next one.